Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to adjust inventory in Zoho Books. This is an essential skill for keeping your stock levels accurate and ensuring your inventory records match what you actually have on hand. Let's jump right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your browser and head over to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, log into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account where you manage your inventory, as this is where all your adjustments will take place. After logging in, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see an option labeled Items. Click on it, and an expanded menu will appear with more options. From this expanded menu, click on Items again. This will take you to your full inventory list, where all your products and stock items are displayed. Now locate and click on the specific inventory item you want to adjust. This will open up the detailed view for that particular item, showing you its current stock levels, pricing, and other relevant information. Once you're viewing the item, look for the Adjust Stock button and click on it. This is where you'll make the actual changes to your inventory levels. The first thing you'll need to do is enter the adjustment date. This is the date when the stock change occurred, so make sure you select the correct date to keep your records accurate. Next, you'll need to choose the type of adjustment you're making. You'll see two options: quantity adjustment or value adjustment. Select the one that applies to your situation. Quantity adjustment is used when you're adding or removing physical units, while value adjustment is for changing the monetary value of your stock. After selecting the adjustment type, enter the quantity you want to add or remove from the current stock. Be precise here, as this directly impacts your inventory levels. If your business uses multiple warehouse locations, you can optionally fill in the warehouse location by clicking the drop-down arrow and selecting the appropriate location. This helps you track inventory across different storage areas. Next, click the drop-down menu to fill in the reason for the adjustment. Zoho Books typically provides options like damaged goods, theft, or correction, so choose the reason that best fits your situation. This keeps your records transparent and organized. Finally, you have two options to complete the process. Click Save as Draft if you wish to continue adjusting the stock later, or click Convert to Adjusted to immediately update the inventory levels. Once you convert to Adjusted, your stock levels will be updated in real time across your Zoho Books account, and that's it. You've successfully adjusted your inventory in Zoho Books, keeping your stock records accurate and up to date. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.